Hello, Namaskar viewers. Welcome to MS Astro Divine YouTube channel. Last time I have introduced about medical astrology. Today I am going to introduce about diabetes, the disease of diabetes, how it occurs according to astrology and planets combinations, and causes and symptoms. Let us know today. Diabetes. Diabetes is one of the chronic disease. It is not painful, disfiguring, depressing or contagious. Most of the people do not know that they have diabetes. The people still die of diabetes, but it is no longer considered a dreadful disease. So, causes of diabetes. The body is unable to manage its food intake properly. It is deficiency disease. In diabetes, the body is unable to burn its intake of sugar, starches and other carbohydrates, because one element is necessary to that normal consumption is missing in adequate quantities. That missing spark is insulin. So the kidneys usually fail to function properly, resulting in an accumulation sugar in the blood. So let us see the planetary combinations influenced on diabetes, which causes diabetes. Firstly, two or more malefic planets posited in watery signs, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, usually cause diabetes. The seventh, Libra is the seventh house of the zodiac. So it controls urinary system and kidneys. If two or three malefic planets placed in Libra sign or in the seventh house, the native may be attacked with diabetes. The moon and Venus are watery planets. If these watery planets afflicted by fiery planets like Mars or Sun in watery signs, the native may be attacked with diabetes. If the 8th lord posited in 6th house and the 6th lord posited in 8th house, the time also may be a chance to the native attacked by the disease of diabetes. Now let us see how the planetary combinations which causes diabetes from the birth chart of a native. See here. Here, this is the native's chart, birth chart. The moon, watery planet, posited in the Taurus sign. Taurus sign, which placed from the Lagna, 6th house from the Lagna. This is ascendant. Sagittarius is the ascendant. Taurus is the birth sign. Now the moon planet placed from Lagna, 6th house from the Lagna. As we know about, if watery planet placed in sixth house, that is very bad symptom. And next, the Saturn and Rahu conjunction in the Pisces, this is watery sign. And Mars is aspecting, eighth aspecting towards moon. So this is affliction. So the moon is afflicted by both Mars and Saturn. And here Saturn's and Rahu conjunction in the watery sign. So this is bad symptoms. And even fiery planets, Sun also aspecting seventh aspect towards watery sign, Saturn and Rahu. So this is very, very bad combination of the chart. The native might be suffering with chronic diabetes. So how the planetary combination very, very bad for the native, for the diabetic disease. Thank you, viewers. Let us know in further diseases go through like this. I will explain neatly and the diseases, causes, symptoms and further remedies. So for any remedies and cures, please contact me directly or through phone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.